sama waa ji nag yaa ngi bëgg a yàgg ci dëkk bi sa holiday yi gudd na lool sax.
vacances yi yàgg na waaye dama ne naa ñibbisi ci sama réew. investir.
wax nga dëgg sa saafara man maa ko yor jóge ñu dem topp ma.
ci sama waaj da ngaa bëri pexe de topp ma.
xam ngeen Gambia léegi dafa open. loolu moo waral Global Properties jóg. jaay la kër doo manqué courant doo manqué ndox da ngay am pool maanaam piscine sa disposition di nga am beach bi sécurité 24 hours te soo bëggee investir aussi nga mën a investir sa réew jënd kër di ko louer. hôtel yi na xam baax na waaye nag am na gan yoo xam ni dañoo bëgg bu ñu ñëwee ci réew nekk à l'aise nekk ci bërëb boo xam ne dinañu am seen waañ bu ñu bëggee togg seen lekku dëkk dañu am seen salle bu mag am seen néegu bopp am seen lépp loolu yëpp ak Global Properties mën na nekk.
jërëjëf def leen ni man ñëw leen Global Properties ngeen jënd seeni kër aar seen ëllëg ak bu seen njaboot.
Are you a resident of France or its surrounding countries and still wondering how to send your packages to the Gambia? Or your properties got lost or have delay anytime you send them? French Touch is here to solve your problem. French Touch sends all kinds of goods except what cannot be fit in container. They don't only stop at sending, but they also sell goods like fridge, mattresses, good quality carpets, furniture and many more.
Inata bullo jora la karola o fanan kenne ma be wiye simento bije adadi ma na kenne ma ñunu man dangali o dambam fanana de ikamoto ki anin ka wafi nin dadi ma fanana
ñun tumo tuma yesandiro kenyilma ika wafi ma konopal ime batandi dunu sikala ye dokulal so do miliyan ko sobe yata bake ifon le kela bakaso samba fela la bungo kono French Touch fela sabateri ngale kiti sila balakan gunjur birkama highway ise ka chanyo ya nino ni ñin nombala alkami jeskiri
lafta ka men faale don wala ñindi ko nata dron ka diamu gambian kole nata le dron ka diamu gambian kole gambian ko lu mbe yalo nako na banko be tembo mento mbe yalo na banko be tembo mento be damento be sabiru nyolale be kumo be foka nyoma gambian ko lu ka diamu atolle gambian ko lu ka diamu atolle ngo mobe yalo nako tonya ya jembe na banko lo bula kasaro kono wala na gambian ko be kewndi ya jembe mu ya kele yaaje me menke wala atinna gambian ko be kede kiloti yaaje mo ya kele bara abe kamfaring abe sire ekotoro jina abe kamfaring ata yalo no ko tonya ni ale gambian ko le abundi jam because ay gambian ko le ta ay divide so ay division no men gambian ko le the same time o division kilimo yaaje me bolo ki kam gambian ko la o division kilimo bolo ki kam gambian ko la sa gambian ko kilin momo yalo ko be janne and you are free tana mantare ise hakildu ya jambe ko kuma kama memfo ise hakildu ya jambe ko kuma kama memfo ya jambe nyim banko la kayro mo memmendi ya jambe ta da kele woto wallahi tala nyim pale because nakeda ya jambe feel ko right now to be trouble men ko no nyim banko diwol le wala kam sa la promo be kele mi dolo nyim ko mensi nyim banko bu le no trouble ko no inside za hakildu ba mensi nyim banko bu trouble ko right now ya jambe le miro be mo wallet. What is going to put this country in the fire? Wala nanko Gambia jang pati man na sonna ni ya jambe ya blodu nyobul. So when honorable Mama Kande Gambian ko nyanda na hakilo la bag. Because honorable Mama Kande we respect you very well. Ne bunya bakele. Anu yalla ko Gambian ko ye bunya bakele. Anu UDP ko ye bunya bakele. Ila political reality ya jambe wulto bi akamandin ko ne. Ila political rally to ya jambe wulto bi ka yudi bin ko nen gadi am hakil male Mama Kande la political rally to bi ya jambe man nin ko be no wolato ay yudi bin ko be no wolato hakil male kadi am atolle Mama Kande finta jan ay presambaro atal ay mefu presambaro man be ya moy ako minat na presambaro be sonna ka dogo ya jambe bar bi ya jambe fela ay fa koyta ya jambe ko Mama Kande dogo tay ala moy le ya jambe ma fa koy tuleta Mama Kande ni mem ma moy isela moy ku Yaya Jammeh ma foko tulata Mama Kandeh. Ako Mama Kandeh will tade to patriot. It's not GDC mentara Mama Kandeh, but it's not APRC mentara Mama Kandeh no more. But Mama Kandeh not join APRC according to Yaya Jammeh. According to Yaya Jammeh, be ya moy la même. An kana son ko ñonene. Annu ñim banko wallahi alazim mo yalla ko elef ñim banko la khayro la ñente la moy la gamien ko kam même fois ñente la moy la peut-être gamien sul kam même fois ba dum content da ba mo dol mel yalla ko fon they are supporting NPP B wol B ye NPP bulale mel yalla ko be GDC supportant e GDC bulale momo yalla ko be Yaya Jammeh nene la momo yalla ko be momo yalla elef Yaya Jammeh kam mala e koti wallahi gamien ko go karte fayo man nana tinna Yaya Jammeh molka bula no ka dogo karte fayo man nana tinna Yaya Jammeh nga dogo milan namba dogo la milat nambe Yaya Jammeh dogo fa Yaya Jammeh len jumat gamien ko ay ñina ka jang ay man ngol nang 2016 ay man ngol len bu fa zone bi fa na wulda ay man ngol len bu fa zone and wala man ngol now B is more dangerous than 2017 because when I be I man ngol len amurra say ka sidol ta ka foye ko am man ngol mu jumalati ka sidol ta ka foye ko man ngol yal be bay do ko blal. Let's call a spade a spade. I man ngol ta ay ne. But thank you Kerfatu. Thank you, Kerfatu. Because it's a media man, it's a responsible media. I made my investigation. I understand Kerfatu for in fact, in a cameraman da man there was no reporter on the ground. I believe if there is a reporter on the ground, and a son can continue with what Yaya Jammeh was saying. Yes, with what Yaya Jammeh was saying. Because Yaya Jammeh left the bank wala mala. Atebe diamond, abe toro lokono, abe batalo kono, anu gambe di wala seni wo batalin kono. But I believe Jola dum kendo ponta bula Yaya Jammeh la ñu kumono. Because now Yaya Jammeh is talking about tribes. Jola dum e peut-être Jola dum ta bula Yaya Jammeh la ñu kumono. Because be al ñu banko kanyam bi man ni ko me jola fudu duma mo kontra no man ni ko ñu jola mo bakil fakil wolati man ni ka diw men ka jola kam fo mo be yolo no siatal man ni ka diw le jola ka bakil fakil kam men ko be yolo anu jola do ya lonko ila kanyam banko ta nyato wallahi suma wallahi be la kato la UDP la akam fatale because jola diw le jointa UDP ay wolati Because Jola don't li alon ko Yaya Jammeh mo moti me alon ko right now aso no mo man tra fo bala Jola don't li olon Jola don't me alon ko ala hakilo ba fo bala as we are speaking is not going to it will vote for UDP because well they knows very well ko with UDP Gambia we are going to be united Jola don't jelle man ka do jelle Jola don't futu Jola demo jelle man ni ka demo fudu ñu banko kanjam mbo fa jum la molo ba kilim fa kilim wala ba Jola ni man ni ko tema ba kilim fa kilim wala ba Jola ni man ni ko tema anu man ni ko la Jola buñale Jola ni man ni ko buñale but Yaya Jammeh is the very person may wa kayo tina Jola ni man ni ko tema is the very person May you Cairo Tina Jola and Manding call tema. Do you want to know? Hey, let's call a spade a spade. If you come in time of politics, me political kill it. The book come find it. But anything Yaya Jammeh go, Yaya Jammeh left like in Banco Manale. Yaya Jammeh left like in Banco Manale. And intention of them world. You have no other intention but Kenyan Banco put in the fire. Because he has no way. There is no way as Nano Nyamenjang. Be a kalam to Jan. Fali amano dinul mel yalon ko lafta non ka kudirake. It's all plotted by Yaya Jammeh. Yaya Jammeh every day ala intention is how this country is going into chaos. But ndolma le kang if on la le fan kang and you are putting more fire into your damages. Ibe da to be. Come from membe kang. Membe be keri kera. We are not the cause. Mandinkas are not the cause. UDP is not the cause. It was the Gambian people. You are a dictator. You are a tyrant. You are a tribalist. Well, at the Gambian goal, you vote out. We all know that. Imu tribalist, imu dictatority. You are everything. Anything may along go. Even your own people. Rambo Jata, you are a tribalist. And exactly you are a tribalist. Ila intentional baby alone and wallahi summa wallahi every patriotic Gambian, every good Jola son and daughter of this country is not going to listen to you again because they know that your intention is not to develop this country, but your intention is to destabilize this country. Jola dongol be alone ko ila intentional manga kanyim banko da ila intentional mo kanyim banko tinyale. Because you all know Momo Hakilo be fongola. How can you tell the members of APRC to join Gano? Momo Hakilo be fongola. Ite Yaya Jammeh. You still want it left to Kajoko this government. Ite you want to get the government. It left to Kamur back to the government. Yeah, Yaya Jammeh. It left to Kamur back to the government. That's what you want. A party Mayalong is not known by the Gambian. Gambian call man party Omelong. A party Mayalong Gambians, Gambian call Malong, I'm on support Soto. Ekafo support Alego. Go and join that party. A party without no support. Party Mayalong, I'm on support Soto. So ila molia on Los Angeles. Yo ila kumo. Your brain is not working. Ye gano la kodobe do mabulu. Ye gano destroy. Ye after destroying Gano, now you know Mama Kande come. Mama Kande is there's one thing Mama Kande ma understand. Yaya Jammeh I think reality because he want to destabilize GDC. Mama Kande will tell you this. Ni me hakiltu. Billah wala Mama Kande. Your party is going zero. Because Yaya Jammeh come very kamale. Yaya Jammeh ko, you are the party, you are the very person Mayor Lonko. You are the very person Mayor la party otinya. Yaya Jammeh because of you Mama Kande, Mayor Tinna. At Yaya Jammeh. Aboita. Yaya Jammeh believe in that call. Yaya Jammeh at Alamasa Kunda Aboita. It was GDC. Due to Yaya Jammeh be the Cameroon. Gambian ole bunya baki, Gambian ole respect baki. Asakanya unya Mama Kande. Kabi Yaya Jammeh hate speech start. Because ita fonga diamo bi. Mama Kande, when you were speaking, ila diamo commence la Mama Kande. Ye même fombe ya moyle. E comme mo kana kamfa. Let's listen to Mama Kande. Let us all listen to Mama Kande la diamo. Allah Mama Kande.
Aman small brother. After Sulam, my brother, so I'm the Jama. Like I couldn't know. Come and give them a Rominyari for yeneen mboolem koo xam ne ni ak foo mën di jógee ci Gambia ak Sénégal pour nga ñëw fekkee ci bés bi tey. Imaginante woda kandole mu Sénégal kanema bo min fankoko ngeen konto. Di leen masawul coono di leen baalu àq. Kaa fo am haketo as mas. Parce que am na ñoo xam ne ni depuis démb lañ fi ñëw. Kaa tu doon ka ngeen ko na woon ka. Amul ne fuñ fanaan. Imam ko so ko ngela la daminto. Ngeen fanaan ci biti. Ngela banta. Bay say lan yu loy. Ngela laram bedol bula. Yow fii di fanaan si suuf. Yéen a jël ka ba sol fene Touba. Dara waralu ko nga naa bugg a Gambia. Fekk maa ngi fookal kat Gambia kanu. Waaye mboolem coono bi ngeen ci sonn ñu ngi leen ci baalu àq. Bara leen dafa kaa min soxla jëm naa farale la ketu. Waaye dellu di leen wax na ne loolu ci liggéey bi la bokk. Kaa faale fanaan boo ko doo xool ñi ne kono. Soo liggéeyal sa réew. Nii ko man dagi na man koo doo xuuka. Loolu mu ngi liggéey ci àddina. Ani ko mi ngoo min doo xuukan dunia. Soo buggee soxsi. Nii lafta pour yi ñaadu kaa sodo. Ñaari yëf ngay def. Dama ko fulale sodo la. Da ngay sonn. Dama bataala la. Nga dellu muñ. Yoo fana yoo xabari. Nga mun a am li nga bugg. Wala altolte. Parce que yéen ay xeex. Altolte ka keroog yéen ay jox seen daala toog. Altolte ka daama kan sama tool ku yéen ay puusante ak nit ñi. Altolte ka puus ñoo puusi. Ki ngeen bugg a suy ñëw jaral na leen ngeen teel a moto dégagé. Min kan Allah tamit na naaka naa jarutale moto la doon. Kon suñu oo jàmmale réew yi mooy yéen. Moto min ko ka dal ko man di la wala altolte. Duñ ci ko xam wala soo leen déggee ba pare. Min si abajo naa leen keroog ka faka pare. Dina am ku ñëwaat afro ak bambulal wala ma am digiri. Doo naa ko kana ka faare te digiri la bambulu. Waaye moo am digiri.
Ali mo mama kan la Gambians Ali la
National executive. Eko imaya yemela executive ko amasuto. Buñ ko wax loolu la ko suma wax. Elaf tamit folo la man ka la ko wadi. Waaye dina leen wax lu nekk ci diggante ñaari ci APRC bi. Bari ma folo ñu ngi APRC tema. Ñoom dinañ ko régler after election. Ko da régler la election ko la. Parti bi dafa am constitution. Parti bi constitution la so doon. Ñun ku ne dañ ko na ne ñoom amuñ time ngiro ngayo. Bari ko ma tam so ko ngiro ngaro la. Ñoom time muñ am mooy state house. Ko li time ni so ko wala state house.
Okay, so ale ma wakane moy so tune do utiro tune obuka banko nyini but mama kan tam tune wallet duko ya jembe tune ya jembe ya longo tam tune wallet wala ya jembe nyin jemo play kam ya jembe ya longo tam tune wallet he knows already that you are a tune. This is why ya jembe is playing such kind of game on you. Because Meneketa, Mama Kende, when you about the alliance, when you went for the nomination, your response, APRC membership, they were not happy. They were not happy about your response. So this is why ye push, in a microphone di ya jambela. But they come up with Gambian call, say hakil malun ka jamole. Momo ya long koite. You really sympathize this government, this country. Momo Yalongo, you really have sympathy for this government, for this country. Should you vote for Mama Kande? Momo Yalongo, itamari akilo belale. Gambia di wala mood, and you want the future of this country, and you want us to be united. Should you vote for Mama Kande? Aka memfo alala moy bakede. Akwata manga tune it. But Mama Kande yalo amanga tune it to yalo. because mleketa mama kandele fintita jang ay APRC ay baroni APRC la temota ay jele and I don't know if you still want to endorse APRC what is going to happen but say mama kandele kuma kamole fo sembo wara dina baro memfo mama kandeta mama kande men yalon baro fele baro ko ani APRC la jointa kodi baro ko ani APRC la jointa but mama kande ka folo ko ataning APRC ako ataning jambe executive jambe ali la ko jambe ko mama kande ka ataning jambe executive la jointa jambe executive gamia ko ali la moyde jambe executive aning APRC is completely different mama kande ka ataning jambe executive la jointa ñoka jambe executive and mama kande pintila nanjande ay baroma mama kande you are not real I never want to attack you but mama kande you are not real and Gambia don't should be very careful of mama kande we respect him we respect mama kande very well but mama kande you are not real you come for Gambia don't and what exactly is going on is completely different if you are only following your interest ila interest don't call a follow like the way Barrow is following his interest, Mama Kande Fanankala interest follow Wala Nyama. But Gambia Demo Bayalon, Hakilma Bayalonoko. If we want the progress of this country, the party to vote for is UDP. Hey, Jambelen and Kamfa Bay, Afai Kirinde, Ekayeloko, half of your supporters are going to UDP. Because Bayalonoko, right now, UDP ta Fonikono, how many people Bayalonoko they join UDP? In Subanor, we know the number of people they join UDP because they know that really it's only UDP. It's only UDP. It's only UDP. They are ready to unite this country. Well, many of these Jolas families, many of the Phoninkas, many of the APRC supporters, and they see themselves, look, the better place to be is UDP. Ya jembe kamfa to wala ya kamfa anu ya jembe anye mun kamfa la kewo all they will come to UDP because they know what is good for our country, they know what is good for the future of their children. You are in Equatorial Guinea. What have you done for those people? Since you left this country, what have you done for the people of Foni? What have you done for the people? What have you done for the people of Foni? Imam Fenge Foni Nkolie, you have not done nothing for them. You are only here to mix them like a bread and butter. Already you APRC divide. Yeah, you divide APRC into two. Iman na fenge ipokana man Nkolie. Wana maninga dewulu, maninga dewulu. Na komande sinya jelle. Mandinga dewulu na commande signa jelle mandinga dewulu na commande signa jelle mandin kolu signa jelle na commande tribalism is not our way ndol man tribalist and mobe yalla ko we are not tribalists. Go. The first cabinet time me alongo banko falinta. Mr. Dawa ya fole. Ako cabinet banko falinta. There was no Jola minister. And he has no power to appoint the minister. But Ajeko to unite the country, what I think I mean I Abulai Bojanta I appoint as an ambassador to South Africa. Because we need to have a Jola also in the government. Kuna Jola sero masakunda kono, Mr. Dabo ko kabring Ajeko, minister yebeto money, minister kono, Jola kilim mantraje, Ajeko okay, ate ataman sembo sero puruka minister appoint, but I sembo sero puruka ambassador nominate, I the president wala ka appoint as an ambassador. Mr. Bojanta, the former speaker, me alonko is a Jola and is a real Jola, I appoint as an ambassador in South Africa. Because he want to unite our country. He want to unite our country. We respect Mama Kandeh. And we respect the Jola community, and we will keep respecting the Jola community. As UDP. The Jola Bunyale, and we will keep respecting the Jolas. Our sisters have married to Jolas here. Our family have married to Jolas here. The family futu Jola legend, the Bali Musol futu Jola legend, the Mole Jola futu jan, and be never futu kay dimba la so. Mr. Dabo me ya longo bi. Ala konnenta ya be mu wala karode bi. Mr. Dabo alaji. Mr. Dabo la musomu Jola. So ni atara wo mo me ya longo ay Jola kon. Do you think of the Jola futu? But Yajambe is a tribalist, and the more Yalonko Imugambia Jumati, you have to come out and condemn Yajambe Diamond. And I believe even GDC and membership, they should come out and condemn. We are expecting Mama Kandeh to come out and condemn Jambe because he keep condemning people here whenever they make attack on tribes. And we all want Mama Kandeh. If you really want Gambian people to vote for you, we want you to come out and apologize to the entire Gambia. Mama Kandeh ni la fa Gambian ko le katra ko Mama Kandeh ila parti ko no mandika dingul be jeel mandika dingul be la parti ko no le mandinka sa supporting your party. Mandinkas are supporting your party. So now, don't just look at the interest of having APRC there. I believe even the supporters of APRC, they will condemn Jambe for all these tribal comments. I believe APRC called for the Findle Kaya Jambe that condemn. So Mama Kandeh, ila party will never Jambe condemn. This is what we expect from you. Because we can see it in Diamoto, you were not happy about Jambe's statement, but we need you to come out and apologize to the entire Mandinka community and UDP. UDP never attacked GDC. In fact, a GDC member, Mayor Lonkofon, joined the UDP. UDP doesn't celebrate it. Because of the relationship between us. Because of the relationship between us. Well, I didn't know we get attacked. No more phone about the GDC, not the UDP. We just welcome them. They welcome them. But we don't celebrate it because we see that we are all one family. Now, it's a platform motor. It's a meeting to the other side. Ya Jambe will water come and call attack. Come and call name. Come away from Manding call. Coalition government. For UDP, the Malam coalition government. 7 political parties were in the coalition government. 7 political parties. So Gambian call now you now understand call very well call. Now to Gambia Dung will Melia Katropai, 2016 side, you all know them now, according to the agent. You must come out and apologize to the Mandinkas. Mama Kandeh. I don't know whether they are going to vote for you or they are not going to vote for you. No, I'm not going to replay Jambe statement. Jambe la kuma kama manta play la jam. I'm not going to play it. But all what I can tell Gambian people when you go, ya Jambe man call neng, ya Jambe UDP call neng, ya Jambe UDP call them ta ay kajafi. Ako UDP call, ako baro masakundam UDP masakundal. Ako baro masakundam UDP masakundal. Anu mandi ka patiola woti anu mandi ngol nyulu ako wolle ako dos mandi ngos ko dos tribalist mandi ngos wolle siyo mo do ta yebe bay siyo no lango de palaso da kawolta ke be bay la palaso ya gembela bod ni probe barola ya be cost because Barole ya jambe invite into our atle ya jambe invite into our politics. Gambian call and naka haklufi. Ya jambe crowd men yokunu wala ya silang wala ya kube du nyokono. I alone know this government, this country is going to be united. This country will be paradise. I will along. I alone know what I call nyala jam. I will along. So my advice to the Gambia, and I'll happy with Yaya Jammeh. And Mama Kandeh, stop giving platform to Yaya Jammeh. Mama Kandeh, stop giving platform to Yaya Jammeh. We don't mind you to join with the people of Yaya. Momo ya lonko itela fena join nole. Porque platform o sika kadi Yaya Jammeh la aga siol attack. Mama Kandeh si hakil tuwoto. Ida haka platform di Yaya Jammeh la. Yaya Jammeh intentional momenti ay menga Sekti Jan Haidara la ala intentional mo woldi the same thing abole kele la. Ay Sekti Jan Haidara la kodo be do mabulu. Sekti Jan male menka ay la kodo be do moy bulu. Ay bulo be bang at the end of the kala moloko albo jaleta Mama Kandeh fana ya. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows before next 78 hours Abafalala Moloko go and join another political party? Who knows? And according to Yaya Jammeh, I mean from Gambian Kolbe Akalamda. Yaya Jammeh Milafo. Ako Mama Kandeh at a Boendi 2016. And no, Yaya Jammeh supporters all bay. They were all angry with Mama Kandeh 2016 because Milakata, because Mama Kandeh to the APRC Boendi. So do you think Yaya Jammeh will love that party? But when I hear Yaya Jammeh, I go, that Gano party. I know very well he is not going to support Gano. Coming now, that Gano party. I want you people to go and join that Gano party. Come on, that. The moment I hear him, I want you people to go and join that Gano party. I know very well, look, this guy is not ready for the business. That Gano party. So what I did, I Gano finished. Gano is finished. Another Mama Kandeh is going to finish Mama Kandeh. Who knows what is going to be his next agenda now? And we are going to, and what that? He is confused. He is confused. Abedamon are confused. We respect him. And we will keep respecting him. But the fact is, Gambian goal, they are not going to vote for any party. How long you are going to empower Jammeh in this country? Yes. When I was in the government, I gave you tractors. And look at it. Agoha, a big man like Jammeh lying in front of the entire Gambian people. I mean, funny for a Gambian called Benyat Nola. A big man like Jammeh. Ako ye tractor beta dual beto bari monson kata maninga community to maningo alila moy ako ye tractor ta dual beto bari monson ka tractor ta maninga community to abe kamfari mandingol kan like what ya jama be diamond right now abe kamfari mandingol kan ne because ako ko mandingol la boydi ako ate tractor men sang wo tractor nyulu ako yo samba mandinga community leto ako mandinga community nyulu ako man son ka tractor ta wol dama lebul be yalo 2016 jang tractor ye beta bla be leto but because of the hate I jawe am so mandingol le dron the hate because of the hate I mentioned on Mandingoli. I am telling you this. Watch this space. I be friendly. I be cooler plan can right now. Yeah, no science center and mama can finish it. Now the next move, who knows? I am telling you, within 78 hours, I'll be familiar intelligent following. Within 78 hours, you will hear another thing. Let's wait. Now, before Saturday, I'll go Sunday. I'll be another thing from Jambi. Emma Yadian Lakavukoha, I mean, Molkanavogo Anka Barola support. I'm not supporting Baro and NPP. But every intelligent politician knows what is the intention of Jambe. Momo Yalonko, you are a very intelligent politician. You must know the intention of Jambe. Jambe intention of Momenti. Mobe Yalon. Let's close. 1 plus 1. Who knows? Say after 78 hours I'm on Diam. Allow Lonko immediately after Saturday the long is going to talk. But I'm Gambian call Alila Mani Hakilo. Ya Jembe B, I am to name careful al domoro NPP la Cardiala, Barola Cardial. I can mendomo B, Nia GB, Barola Cardial. All Gambian call Ala Hakilo to Barola. And no man nika dungul ala haglo do baro do bad. Baro is a poison. Momo yalon ko mo man nika dung to be NPP to see. Isa alon ko baro is a poison. Momo mo bi mo man nika dung to be NPP. Isa alon ko baro is a poison. And if you are supporting Baro, believe in me, means you hate yourself. But be momo ya lon ko mu Gambian ko le fon to be a Gambian any momo ya lon ko mu Gambian no to be e ka NPP support any of this political party e ka support be alon ko e left a fit knowledge kinim banko ka. Because all these political parties may along be dogodogola APRC norma or be dogodogola Jambe norma. Ebe dogodogola Jambe norma. Billahi wallahi tallahi. They don't love this country. Mobe along Ya Jambe is arrogant. Ya Jambe is tribalist. Ya Jambe is bigoted. Ya Jambe is everything. Mobe olonjan. And Rambona Nyamatia Aya Jamel Nyamatia Fol. But anyway, Ndamanaka Major. I just came here to advise Gambians and to advise Mama Kande. Manaka Major Naral Dronka Gambian call advice. Ko Gambian call advice alal hakilotu ya Jambeto. Alal hakilotu ya Jambeto. Alal hakilotu Mama Kande. If Mama Kande have to allow Jambeto to be speaking in these meetings, alal hakilotu ya Jambeto, alal hakilotu Mama Kande. Gambian ko ka diama to lede momo ya lon ko ma petuto Gambian no Gambia din cando jola bang fula bang serel bang mandinga bang surwa bang alal hakilo ya Jammeh to ya Jammeh have no good intention for this country as we are speaking. Ya Jammeh mangani yasoro nyum banko and he have no good intention for this country billahi wallahi tallahi aka membe fo da wara kenso abe walla aka membe fo da wara kenso about on la. He have no intention for this country. If you don't trust me, I mean, you must be playing with fire. Aka membe fo chow da wara kenso a big mouth. But nyimbanko la Cairo bi Ya Jammeh mal fo la. Nyimbanko be bula fitno ko nyamen atena na jang ay na la masibol ketro bi ala intention of being wallet. Because he is crying because mineketa jola dongol melialonko anin jola dongol ning other APRC supporters so melialonko jointe UDP wala kampabal. But Ya Jammeh ita buka wol balundi ita buka fendi wala ita be sit ecology ni yemina ka wole. They need better life. They need to see the Gambia. The electric Gambia molega bakilim fakilim. Ye mislead, ye samba Gano, ye bondi Gano, ye samba GDC. You mean bon the GDC, you are taking them to another place. That is the only intention memorable. B, Jola Dewul Melialonko, and the other APRC supporters of Melialonko. Because look, let's just call a spade a spade. They are always hit the nail on the head. Jolas are our family. We married to Jolas. We do everything with the Jolas. We go with them to the same schools. Mandingas have no hatred for Jolas. We love Jolas and we'll keep loving them because they are our family. My granddads, my uncles, we are all living with Jolas in this country. Mama nyolu, mfama nyolu, namol ni Jola live in jam. But bakilim fakili nyoya wole ben Jola tema. Jola mo one family and no bakilim fakili nya wole be kula Jola tema. But même for the Jolali, même for the APRC support soli, alal hakilu Ya Jammeh. Ya Jammeh man levi ni banko la Kairola. We respect him. A man levi ni banko la Kairola anu a man levi na kilinti ni banko kaja. Anu a man jawsero katambi UDP la, a man jawsero katambi Mandingol la. Anu Mandingol man kukala, ay Mandingol nenne, ay Mandingol kajapila, kuwa be for Mandingol ma, Mandingol vote against him. And the truth will always remain truth. Momo e kato fay MPP. You are voting for Ya Jammeh. Momo e kato fay GDC. You are voting for Ya Jammeh. Let's call a spade a spade. Momo e kato fay APRC. Sorry, I don't know, GDC. You are voting for Ya Jammeh. Momo e kato fay President Barrow. You are voting for Ya Jammeh. Momo e kato fay for any other political party in this country. Know that you are voting for Ya Jammeh. And Ya Jammeh intentional for this country. Let's call a spade a spade. Political side on your name what you Benoni Tonyala Kang, Betonyala Folonyo, Momo e Candaleafo, Momo Yalon, we are cut off MPP, President Barola Patio, Momo Yalon, we are cut off fire, Alonco. Yakaro fire Minakama. Put him Banco Kasara. Ya Jammeh is the one leading NPP. Ya Jammeh is the one leading GDC. Ya Jammeh is the one leading any other political party. Me alonko. Ibe di chief la puriya karos gaya dila. Comme man ngol ka be kenen drone jamba don Allahu akbar any of the political parties, as we are speaking right now, the only political party member of Gambia Bond is UDP. Momo Ekatao, any other political party, I am telling you, any other political party in this country, Momo Ekatao Diala, without UDP, I am telling you, you are just Imani Bela Katao Faikam. So guys, actually I don't want to play Yajame Diamond. Ako alila moide. Ako Adama Barrow is still leading UDP.
Ako moide molka Adama Barrow ni MPP. Adama Barrow ni MPP. But Adama Barrow ni masakuna anisa ngamu UDP government already because amake MPP manso.
How can Yajame government be UDP? How can Adama Barrow government be UDP? By how? But anyway, guys, let me just stop it here. Allah Baraka. My advice is Gambian Kolu. Na advice on moment wala nyindu ko. Ndol be bakilim fakili. Maninga, Jola, Fula, Serel, Sarakule, and be bakilim fakili. Be Gambia dumul be advice la. Kate fayola kana si. Alin kana so mome ya longo kamfa tolem, mome ya longo tlimbalolem, mome ya longo ay mulle fa alin kana so ay dundi nyola. Alin na bakilim fakili nyoya miranda maltema. Dol be bakilim fakili. Maningo bang, Jola bang, Serelo bang, Suruwa bang, Fulo bang, be bakilim fakili. Alin kana so ya jamela own selfish interest ay entol damal ta ay dundi nyola. Alin kana so. Alin kana so. Dol be bakilim fakili. Dol la ka kool be ka nyokan. Dol la ka domoro ka nyokan. Dol la ka efiti mo be ka nyokan. Dol la ka futu nyoe, dol la ka nyola kulli lato, dol la ka nyola samoto. Nyim banko be tembo mendo nyanda kam mira mena wala nyindu ko pour kam be kala bakilim fakili to jam. Andum UDP la intentional mo. Dollar party B this time. The motto, the campaign trail is United Gambia. The Gambia beke bakilim fakili. Na campaign trail muwalti. Na motto mo medwal nyingo United Gambia. The Gambia beke bakilim fakili. Wallahi na motto muwalti. Anu mobe yalla nako tonyata nyambe parel na Gambia beke bakilim fakili. Wala we reach out to every tribe. We reach out to every constituency. We reach out to everywhere in this country. We have to go there. Either we have support there or we don't have support there. We have to go and reach to them. We have to go and deliver the message to them. Now in the son of Molet. Mole kumo bele for jam. UDP manta implant. But UDP make sure loco. Now in last campaign you be ajele. Nationwide tour. There is no single place that gonna jump. We have gone to everywhere. Why? Every region, every constituency in the region. Why? Because we want to have United Gambia. Left like a Gambia, so the Gambia may along be back in park. The intention will be mullet. We want to have better Gambia. Gambia killing left and be also. Même Gambia killing. So no for sa, so cool ke nyoe. But at the end of it, we are all one family. And the only political party mentioning Banco Bondino, mentioning Banco Samba into the right track, well, UDP. Momo me la kato di UDP la alonko la kato ka di patiola. Patio me ya alonko. Their intention is to bring the agenda to come and kill our people. To bring the agenda to come and divide this country. That's their intention. Yela party momo yela kato di GDC la, yela kato di NPP la alonko yela intention is to divide this country. Allah barakabak.